Otolift Modul-Air Smart is easy to use. With the wireless remote, you bring the lift towards you. Unfolding the seat is effortless. The footrest extends at the push of a button, eliminating the need to bend. Fasten your seatbelt for safety. Thanks to our innovative reverse drive technology, the chair can even drive backwards for added knee space, perfect for narrow stairs. Upon reaching your destination, the chair stops and swivels automatically for a seamless exit. Simply release your seatbelt and step off safely.